If you think starting a kid's YouTube channel means hiring a Pixar animation team and spending your life savings, you are probably crying into your coffee right now. Most people believe you need fancy software to break into this niche. Create Kids Videos claims to fix this by using simple slideshows and PLR rights. They say you can do it without drawing a single frame. Let's see if it is true. Hey, Kamal from TestedApps.com here. I've spent 6 years testing tools that promise the moon. Usually, they just deliver a headache. Today, we are doing an honest review of Create Kids Videos. We want real results and absolutely no fluff. Let's get into it. And before we start, grab it through my link below for some exclusive bonuses. I've put together a bundle of tools I use to get traffic faster. The details are in the description, so make sure to check those out. Create Kids Videos is a hybrid product. It's part training course and part PLR asset. It's built specifically for beginners, parents, and side hustlers. The main promise is simple. It helps you create educational videos like alphabet or counting lessons. And the best part is you do it without showing your face or facing the camera. This system works in 3 dead simple steps. Step 1 is learning the system. You get access to over 50 training videos. It's honestly easier than assembling IKEA furniture. Step 2 is create and customize. You use their Calm content framework. You do not need a PhD or animation skills to do this. Step 3 is publish or resell. You can upload the videos to grow your own channel, or you can slap your name on the course and sell it for 100% profit. Here's what actually moves the needle with this product. First, the no animation framework. This is a massive painkiller. You do not need to be an artist. You are creating functional, simple learning tools for toddlers. Second, the unrestricted PLR rights. This is a money saver and a money maker. You have full freedom to rebrand the course and sell it as your own. It basically gives you 2 separate income streams. Third, the safety strategy. YouTube is very strict with content for children. This course teaches you exactly how to stay compliant so your channel does not get banned. The front-end price is just $9.99. That's a one-time payment. Compare that to hiring a freelancer or buying a high-end animation course. That could cost you hundreds of dollars a month. With this, you pay once and you own the system forever. It literally costs less than a pepperoni pizza. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Now you need to know about the funnel upgrades. There are 9 optional upgrades, or OTOs, after you buy the main product. Here's the breakdown. OTOs 1 through 5 are priced at $16.99 each. OTOs 6 to 8 act as premium packs and cost $21.99 each. OTO 9 wraps it up at $16.99. While I do not have the specific titles for each pack, these are usually extra templates or done-for-you marketing assets. My advice is simple. You do not need all of them to get started. Grab the front end for $10 and then just pick the one upgrade that saves you the most time. Here's my honest take. I put this concept through my usual torture test. The strategy works because parents are actually looking for calm videos. They're tired of noisy, hyperactive cartoons. But remember, this is a volume game. Simple videos do not go viral overnight. You need to be consistent. For me, the real gold is the PLR rights. Selling this course to just one person covers your entire cost. Let's be clear about what this is not. This is not for making CoComelon-style cartoons. If you want 3D characters dancing around, this is not for you. Also, it's not a magic button. You will still need to create thumbnails and upload the videos. If you are lazy, you should probably keep scrolling. Imagine having a passive income asset that runs for years. Kids will always need to learn the alphabet. That traffic never stops. That's what Create Kids Videos unlocks for you. The link is down below. This launch pricing will not last forever, so don't wait. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below. Hit the like button if this was helpful, and subscribe for more honest reviews. This is Kamal from TestedApps.com. See ya.